Autopilot Enterprise Campaign Suite App. The pros, the cons. Autopilot Enterprise Campaign Suite App promises to simplify marketing automation, but can it meet the demands of large-scale enterprises? On the positive side, Autopilot allows enterprises to design customer journeys with visual workflows, segment audiences, and automate multi-channel campaigns including email, SMS, and in-app messaging. The surprising truth is that its drag-and-drop interface makes complex campaigns surprisingly easy to set up without extensive technical knowledge. Enterprise plans include advanced analytics to measure campaign performance, optimize conversions, and understand customer engagement at a granular level. Integration with CRM systems like Salesforce ensures leads and contacts stay synchronized. However, there are some drawbacks. Most people get this wrong. They assume Autopilot can handle every marketing nuance out of the box. While it excels at journey automation, customization for highly specialized campaigns can be time-consuming. Pricing scales with contacts and active campaigns, which can become expensive for large organizations. Some advanced analytics may require additional setup or integration. In conclusion, Autopilot Enterprise Campaign Suite App is an excellent choice for enterprises aiming to streamline multi-channel marketing campaigns and customer journeys. Its strengths lie in visual automation, analytics, and CRM integration. When combined with strategic planning and complementary tools for deep analytics, Autopilot can significantly boost marketing efficiency and conversion rates for enterprise teams.